as we stand here in the middle of these bees, I never did this in my life. Have you?
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year.
At least a couple of pounds of bees. So our goal is going to be to try to catch the queen and put her in a nucleus box that I have with me on my tailgate right here. And once we get her in there, the bees should follow. The queen is extremely important, okay? Without her, they're doomed. So right now she's very important, and they're all pretty spread out, so I should be able to find her. And once I put her in the setup, they should all follow, okay? Usually the queen will be where the majority of the bees are. Since the first video years ago on the SUV, over the years, you know, your eyes they start to get a little strained, so you gotta wear something like this. This is the time of year where they really kind of go on berserk. What do you think of this?
Amazing.
Yeah?
I'm shocked. Wow. What great place.
And this is Leanne. This is her car.
Hi.
Leanne, what do you think of this?
Kind of scary.
Yeah?
Yeah, very scary.
Well, what did you do when you saw this mass of bees out here?
Call 911.
We're gonna see if we can't get Queenie and put her in the setup and get your bees to go in that box right there, and then we'll take them away. I'm sure you'd appreciate that, right?
Yes, I can get in my car.
That's right.
This is crazy. In the parking lot, at the private school. So once you put the queen in it, they're all gonna go with her?
Yeah, it'll. There's some other things I'm gonna do. You'll see in a minute. Once I get her in here, then I could be kind of aggressive with this. I could use my smoker and kind of run them off. Once I get her, we can do a bunch of different things. Okay? That's the main thing though right now. We're going to try to see if we can't find her. So, this a little bit.
I've never seen no bees like this in my life.
That's a drone bee right there. That's a male honeybee. See how much larger he is? Okay? He don't have a stinger, so I can do something crazy like this. Put him right my, he can't stick. I do that with kids, you know, when they don't believe you, you know. So when they see that, they're like, okay, I guess he don't have a stinger. The first time I started fooling with bees was in 1990. Started my business in 95, and I kept getting calls for bees. I started keeping them as a way to learn more about them, to understand their biology, so that I could, you know, do what I do. So I've made a lot of mistakes along the way. I usually tell people, you're going to make a lot of mistakes, but just learn from them and try to have fun with it. That's all you can do. You got to stay with it, just like everything. You got to stay with it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, where are you? Looking for that little crown, understand? Got like the little tiara on our head.
So they're protecting her right now. They're hiding.
Well, they're just kind of hanging out, really. She's going to be underneath some of these bees. That's why I'm having trouble finding her. How are we doing? How y'all doing over there?
Doing great.
You doing good, Leanne?
I'm a little itchy.
A little itchy, huh? There she is. I'll see her.
He has a sight on the
Let me
queen.
see if I can't get her.
The queen has been located. Let me zoom in and find the queen.
She looks just like them, too. That's why I was having trouble finding her, I guess. I don't know. Let's see if I can get her. Come here, you.
Where is she?
There she is. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use my little device instead. Okay, so there she is. When you see it, you're going to be like, wow. She does look like that. Then I'll show you a close-up real quick. Okay. She's at the top right here. You see, she's a little bit larger than the other ones. You see her?
Yeah.
See her now?
Mm-hmm. Tail's pointy.
There we go.
Yeah. Is your shift over for the day, Leanne? Is your shift over for the day?
Not until 6.
Okay. You were trying to probably get out and go get you some tacos or something, huh? Some hamburger. You had lunch yet?
Want a beef burger?
See how they kind of landed and covering a little bit like that? Yeah, she puts out a pheromone, and then they're going to put out their pheromone, and it's all going to be one big happy family. Right on that. I'm going to put her down here like this. They're usually pretty gentle when they're like this. Just in case, you know, high winds don't come, we're going to staple this closed. What we're going to do is, now that we got the queen in the box, we can be aggressive. I'm going to have a park about right here. Oh! Try to get them airborne. So they're going in the box, and they should draw these other bees, but I'm going to go ahead and smoke these and try to get these off the lady's vehicle so she can move the vehicle. Are you glad that you were able to move your vehicle?
Yes.
So what did you think about the whole experience about, you know, me catching the queen and getting the bees in the box? And
Well, I'm glad that they weren't harmed, but I do not ever want to have to deal with bees again.
so it was a pleasure to meet you. I appreciate you calling. And
Thank you for all the help.
okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
As we stand here in the middle of these bees, I never did this in my life.